Kung papaugian at patibayan ng SUV, iba pa rin talaga ang Fortuner. I got you ulit!
No broke boys, no new friends. I'm not bitch, give me my tens. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade. But call me, then give no keep paid. Look so good, makes no sense. Badass bitch with my badass friends.
Good morning guys! Meron tayong bagong arrival dito. Napaka-pogi at napakasiri ng Fortuner with 30,000 kilometers on the clock. So this is a 2022 Toyota Fortuner V variant automatic transmission 4x2 exterior-wise. Fresh original paint, naka-keyless entry ka, automatic side mirror, may camera na yan at naka 18 inches alloy wheels ka at makakapal ang gulong niya. At sa pinakaharap niya, may virtual headlight, fog light, signal light at napakapoging new grille, may camera ka at tuwang ending. Grabe talaga binago ng Fortuner ngayon at napakapogi. At sa interior naman, meron kang intact na headliner, fresh leather seats, may storage space ka dito, well-designed na dashboard, infotainment system, climate control, may wireless charging pad, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission, may eco mode, power mode at center console. At sa driver side, napaka-fresh ng leather steering wheel niyan, may mga controls ka with cruise control, may paddle shifter, push start button, with 30,000 kilometers on the clock only, napakasariwa talaga. At meron kang 2 vanity mirrors on both sides, sa passenger side lang pala, naka-plastic pa yan at may sunshade holder ka sa gitna. Kompleto yan ng RFID at easy trip. At sa second row guys, decent naman yung space dito. 5'10 ng height ko. May air vents ka, climate control at armrest with 2 hidden cup holders. At sa third row naman, napakadaling pumasok at sakto lang yung space ko. May air vents ka at cup holder on both sides. At sa pinakalikod niya, napaka-pogi talaga ng wing niya. Naka-LED taillights ka na with chrome garnish at reverse camera. At syempre, naka-sensors ka na rin sa likod niya. At sa trunk space, meron ka dito napaka-logo trunk space at foldable ang third row seat niyan. Ayan guys, napaka-logo ng trunk space niyan. Kompleto ng tools, spare tire, and jack. At sa engine niya guys, meron tayong 2.4 liter 2GD FTB turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission. At alam naman natin kapag gawang Toyota, napakatibay niyan at napakadaling hanapin ng parts at long lasting din. At syempre, sa kondisyon ng makina, napakasariwan niyan guys. Nagdala ng scanner mekaniko para ma-assure mo. Kaya kung gusto mo ng napakatibay ni SUV, kapag bilhin mo siya, aabot pa to hanggang 5 dekada. At syempre guys, open tayo for cash trade-in financing kung gusto mo to. For only 1,395,000 guys, mauuwi mo na to at magiging pogi ka na. At syempre, pag financing mo yan, napaka-basic niyan, same day approval tayo. At kapag cash naman, mas basic para ka lang bumili ng candy dito. At guys, we have all over 60 units dito sa Darson, kaya marami kang magpipilian. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Tumawag ka na, i-reserve mo na siya para maging pogi ka na. Katulad ko. Thank you guys. Peace out.